Good afternoon, everyone. I am Jimmy Tito, together with Ms. Timola. We were discussing about first cry of Tawa or Pugad Lawi. The cry of Balintawak, also known as the cry of Pugad Lawi, is a significant event in the Philippine history, marking the start of the revolution against Spanish rule. So this significant event happens on August 1896, where Filipino declared their revolt against of the Spanish rule realization because of their ilang social treatment sa atong mga Pilipino mga tribal tawag. So who are involved in this significant event? Andres Bonifacio, the leader of Katipunan, a revolutionary society that aimed at Philippine independence. He is considered the father of the Philippine Revolution. So si Andres Bonifacio is isa sila sa dineclare sa mga Pilipino as a father of the Philippine Revolution because si Andres Bonifacio sila ang first man nga nag-stand sa against sa Spanish. Sila ang leader sa Katipunan. O dire daw nga moment is kanang Andres Bonifacio turned up the kanang Sindolas along with his companions. So who are his companions? Emilio Jacinto, a close associate of Bonifacio known for his intellect and contribution to the Katipunan's ideology. So, Emilio Jacinto's contribution is kanang sila ang nagsilbing secretary movement of ideology and action, writing the Cartilla ng Katipunan, he named as the brain of Katipunan. Si Jacinto daw ang kanang secretary, serving as secretary movement, kanang hintay kung na sila sa kupon bitaw sa lugar, kay sila ang magplano bitaw. Procopio Bonifacio, Andres Bonifacio brother, who played a significant role in the Katipunan's operation. So si Procopio daw is kanang na daw sila akong role sa Katipunan operation, kay sila daw ang kilati sa mga tao dito ni Jang ipang-i-recruit. Teodoro Plata, ang Katipunan leader who initially opposed the immediate start of revolution. Si Teodoro Plata is kanang isa po sila sa co-founder sa Katipunan. Tapos si Aguinaldo Agustin Rosario, another influential Katipunan leader. Isa sa mga daw sa co-founder sa Katipunan nga ni Andres Bonifacio. Symbol of Filipino resistance, the event which occurred in August 1896 is seen as a powerful symbol of Filipino resistance and patriotism. Filipino revolutionaries led by Andres Bonifacio further Sindolas Muslim certificates in the of Spanish authority. This act symbolizes united Filipino resistance against colonial rule. So, there is a motong gingon na kayo na kaninga moment is katong nagpulit daw sila sa Sidula. O nanong gitawag ng tribal tawag is, di ba, ang tier punit o daw? Tier ba? Tier ba? Ang Sidula, sumanang gitawag ng tribal tawag. Tapos, ang Pugalawin is kanang muna ang kanang dili, kanang sa lugar na ilagi kanang kanang mo ang ilang Katipunan. Dala sa kwan kang lugar daw.
Abi ko pangalan sila. Pugad din ka lang.
Madya.
Madya.
O kwan. Si Jamula naman.
Kora to? Ay,